Alright, example 27, solve the inequality and give one example of a solution, one example of a non-solution. So since both inequalities are in slope-intercept form, we just have to identify what the slope and the y-intercept are in graph. So slope is 3/4 in this first inequality, and the y-intercept is -8. So when I graph, I start my graph at -8 and go up 3 to the right 4. Right, and then to extend the line, I go down 3. Okay, so now to figure out what type of line I draw, I look at my inequality symbol. It's greater than, no or equal to, so I just draw a dash line. So my solution isn't contained on the line. Alright, I do the same thing with the second inequality. So my slope is -1/2. My y-intercept is 2. So I start my graph at +2 and go down 1 to the right 2. And then to extend it, I go up 1 to the left 2. Alright, to figure out what type of line I have, I look at my inequality symbol. It's greater than or equal to, so I know that my solution is contained on the line, so I have to draw a solid line. Okay, so now I have to figure out which way I shade. Let's start with the top. So I'm looking at the blue line now. I plug in my test point, which is, I'll use 0, 0. So I have 0 is greater than 3/4 times 0 minus 8. 0 is greater than 3/4 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 8 is -8. So 0 is greater than -8. So I have to shade everything above the blue line. So everything above the blue line gets shaded because that 0, 0 point is on that side. Is on the side above the line. Okay, I do the same thing with the bottom equation. So I plug in the origin, the 0, 0 point. So I have 0 is greater than or equal to 1/2, -1/2 times 0 plus 2. So 0 is greater than or equal to 1/2, -1/2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 is not greater than 2, so I can't shade below the green line. I have to shade everything above the green line. Alright, so an example of a solution is everything in green. This whole green area is a solution to the system. Even on this green line right here, we have solutions, not on the dash line, just on the green line. So all of this is a solution. So you can pick any point. I'm going to pick the point 2,9 as my solution. And then non-solution is everything in yellow, white, or blue. So you can pick any point in this area as your non-solution. I'm going to pick this point -6, 1 as my non-solution. So anything here.